Ms. Doris Jen, who has consistently provided invaluable support and guidance, and to Ms. Lomari, our respective global GCB leader in the Philippines. I extend my heartfelt greetings, good evening, good morning, and good day to everyone. I am Marivic Ferma Temblador, GCB Ambassador of Region 4A, Province of Cavite, Philippines. Today, I stand before you as someone who, like many of you, embarked on this journey with Pi Network 2 years ago. At that time, I deeply believed in the vision of Pi that it could empower individuals and transform lives by offering financial freedom to everyone dedicated to mining. This belief fueled my commitment to Pi community and continues to drive my passion today. But as we all know, no journey is walked alone. I have been incredibly fortunate to have the guidance of two remarkable leaders, Ms. Doris Yen and Ms. Lomari. Their unwavering dedication to the growth of Pi Network has been nothing short of inspiring. In particular, I want to highlight the mentorship of Ms. Lomari. Her leadership has been a beacon of hope and inspiration for many of us here in the Philippines. Beyond, she is not just a leader, she is a mentor who had taken the time to nurture, guide, and empower those around her. Under her mentorship, I have grown not only as a GCV ambassador, but as a person committed to the success of our global Pi community. This has been evident in the way she had supported the growth of Pi bartering here in the Philippines. One of the impactful initiatives that we undertaken has been the Pi bartering events, which began on March 23, 2024. These events were born out of a simple yet profound idea that by facilitating the exchange of goods and services with our community, we could build a stronger and more resilient ecological ecosystem. To date, my team and I have successfully organized 13 Pi bartering events in our regions. Each event has brought us closer to our goal of creating a thriving marketplace where pioneers can trade goods all fair prices bypassing traditional market structure. But our work does not stop there. We are continuously inviting more merchants to join our cause by encouraging them to accept 50% Pi payment and 50% fiat, or even a greater percentage of Pi. We're not just supporting our pioneers, we're also helping merchants sustain their businesses. This model allows them to maintain their capital and investment while participating in the barter economy, which offers good prices that are often more competitive than those in conventional markets. This is the essence of our ecological ecosystem, a community where everyone contributes and benefits by bartering. We help pioneers save money, making essential goods accessible and affordable. This in turn strengthens our network, making it more robust and self-sustaining. As we move forward, it is imperative that we continue to work together with unity and determination. Our collective efforts are what will ultimately lead us to success. Each of us has a role to play in this grand vision, and by supporting one another, we can create a future where financial empowerment is not just a dream, but a reality for all. So let us join hands as one united community to ensure that the Pi Network reaches its full potential. Together, we can achieve success, not just ourselves, but for future generation of pioneers who will carry the torch forward. Thank you all, our commitment, your passion, and your unwavering belief in the power of Pi. May God bless us all and guide us in this incredible journey. Once again, I'm Marvic Fermat Temblador, GCB Ambassador of Region 4A Province of Cavite, Philippines. Mabuhay